everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to use the spin scrubber. So here you have the box and where it comes in. So then you open the box, see what is inside. So now you see what's in the box. So here first you have the manual, multifunction spin scrubber manual. So here you see all the explanation on how to use the spin scrubber. So then you have here the different brushes. Here this is to attach the mop. This is here the mop, and this to attach the sponge. So you just attach it like here on Velcro, and you can put it on your spin scrubber. So then you have here the flat brush and the round brush. So then here you have to charge the charger, and I'm gonna put this up. The spin scrubber itself is well protected, again in cardboard. Here you have the spin scrubber and here you have the handle. So the spin scrubber, you can take it out of the box here. So here you have the main part with the display on it, and here the push button for the handle. So then you have the extension handle, also well protected in cardboard. So you can take it out from here. Then you have the rack. Here you have the base of the rack, and then here with the iron rack that you can place in here. So now how to put the spin scrubber together to use it. So here you have the main part. So then here you see a little triangle. This triangle you place into the triangular hole in here. So then you put the triangle in here, and you don't turn the brush, you turn the device itself very fast, and look, it's very stable. It's already stuck to the device. Now I press here. I can use this. So now this brush, I showed you how to place it on the device. Here you have the same triangle, and here you have the sponge. So how to place the sponge on the spin scrubber? You have this kind of device. Here you have the triangle as well. So you have this Velcro here. You stick the sponge on it, and you can place it on the spin scrubber. How about the mop? This, you take the sponge off. Then the mop, you place this device inside the mop. So here you go. You have it inside. How to put the extension handle onto your spin scrubber. So here you have a press button. So you press here. You take this little loop out. And then here you have the extension handle. And you put it here inside. So now how to store your spin scrubber. So it's very easy with the storage rack. So here you have the base, then you have this iron rack here. You can put it here or here or here. So you can choose the direction of your rack. Here I place it in here. The main device I place in the middle. Then the extension handle goes behind it. We place it down. Then you have here the brush, you place it with the brush with the bristles down so it can drip and it can dry after cleaning. Then you have here the sponge, and this little brush goes on top. Then you have here the mop. The mop you can just hang. You can just hang on a side of the rack, and here you have the spin scrubber stored. So now how to charge your spin scrubber. So here you have this cover. You always, when you use a spin scrubber, leave it covered so that there's no water going inside. But now to charge, you plug it in here, and then you go the other way, and then you see here the display. When it's red, it starts charging. It will get green when it stops charging, and here you see it's still 97% that the battery is full. Normally when the battery is totally empty, it takes 2.5 to 3 hours to charge. Make sure that you don't charge all the time. So now this spin scrubber has 2 speeds. How to change the speed? So here you press and you turn it on. This is the first speed. So then you see this is going this fast and it has the green light. So then I press again and you see it's the red. It's turning red and you see it's going faster. So this is the second speed. So then I press again and it turns off. When you are cleaning on the first speed and you don't want to go to the second speed, you just keep it pressed and it turns off by itself as well. So this is the spin scrubber working at the second speed. So you see here the red light, you see it's turning really fast. So then it might shut down all of a sudden. So if you're having a lot of hard work for over half an hour and it's working at the second speed, you're pushing it very hard, the motor might overheat and then you will have an E1 error. It doesn't mean that it's broken, it's just the system protecting itself. So then the motor will have to cool down first and then you can use your spin scrubber again. How to take the brush off. So you turn the device, not the brush, and it's loose. So when you feel that the brush is too dirty and you don't want to touch it with your hands, then you can just step on it on both sides and then you also turn very fast, not slow, but very fast to the side and it's loose.